What's up, everybody? Couple more accessories to show you today from our buddies over on Amazon, BestEVMods. I will link to each of these products in the description below. So if you click the link below, that goes to my affiliate link. So I get a small commission off that. So that would be a huge help if you guys click those links. Otherwise, if you're interested in products, go check out their store on there. But the first product I'm going to show you today is a very quick and easy one. It's another alternative tray for inside the armrest. So if you're someone who's looking for this to not be the black hole of random papers and napkins and anything else, which is what mine typically turns into, and would like something with some organization or just a place to keep some coins. Not really sure what people need coins for anymore these days, but say you still use coins to go through a toll booth, you've got this little device here, sits right on top. Push that in, bam, bam, closes. So you got a couple spots here for some cards of some sort. You've got another container here, and then the more wide open side there. Took it out to get a better view at it. It also has this little box that you can add to it. So if you want to put some stuff in there as well, you could do it in this style. You don't need to keep that out. But if you haven't picked up one of these magnetic MagSafe charging pads and are using the USB-C ports in the armrest to charge your phone, this would be a good place to place your phone if you're keeping it away from yourself. But since we're talking about storage today, the first product that I want to show you is this one here in front of us. It's the safe for inside the armrest. Say you want some lockable storage for whatever reason, whether you're carrying something that is precious, potentially you're a gun owner and want a safe space to carry your weapon where it can't be, the car can't be broken into and stolen, or you're riding around with something you shouldn't be riding around with, and you want lockable storage. This would be the option for that. So you can see from the instructions, this comes with 4 self-tapping screws, as well as the hex acorn nuts, a little screwdriver if you don't have your own, a little needle punch as well, and then the hex socket driver. It goes through all your steps for preparing for installation and actually doing the installation. I'm not going to go through the full installation today. I don't know that I'm going to fully install this device in my vehicle, as I don't think I need this level of lockable security. And then it does say on the back side here how to go about setting your secret code. There's a key as well for quick access, but essentially I will set this in there so that you can see what it looks like once it's installed. So per the instructions, you can see the preset code is all zeros. Then you'd slide this to the down position, and then this is spring loaded, so that will pop right up. So as you can see, this has holes in it in the middle there. So one would go on this side, the other would go on that side. And with those holes there, that's when you would use these self-tapping screws that's when you would secure it to the inside of the storage container. The underneath of the actual safe part itself has these screws sticking through them. That's where you would then use the hex nuts. We're going to just pretend as if we put it all together. Once it was together as a full unit, you would slide it into place, put in your code, open it up, and install those final screws. So it would be secured, so they couldn't just be lifted out, obviously. That would defeat the whole purpose of lockable storage. So then you lock it, you spin this, see, now that I've spun it, it's still locked. So what the key does, you put the key in, you turn it clockwise 180 degrees, and if you forgot what your code was, so if you've got this in the down position and you put the key in and you turn it 180 degrees, what happens here is now I can't spin the thing, and that reveals what my code now is. So if I take the key out, I should be able to unlock this and open the safe. So right now that would be my code. You can change this code as many times as you like. But again, the key will always be your master reset. If you do forget what code you had in, you just want to make sure that the switch is in the down position when you're doing that. So again, really good lockable storage. Let's get the key out of here for a second. So with the key out, you can see that just closes like normal. So again, if you need lockable storage, this is a really good option. It's solid. You know, a thief would really need to crowbar it out of here, doing some damage if they were trying to get into anything valuable that you left in here. The only thing I have in here right now is my hard drive from a drive camera. So if you don't need lockable storage like a full-blown safe, but you are looking for a little bit more area to store stuff, I'll take it over to the next product. Alright, and the next product we have is the replacement drawer for where the portable speaker goes. So those who have a Rivian are probably aware of this camp speaker. The Generation 2s don't come with it standard. But this thing's not really that impressive. It's a little bit of a party trick. Sound quality, I'm not overly impressed with. I've had issues with it constantly turning on and trying to connect to my phone. I've already had it replaced once under warranty. So it was a fun little gimmick idea that Rivian did by putting the cam speaker in. Not really super useful. But we also don't have glove boxes, so storage up front for certain things like your registration and other materials. Pardon the floor, we just got back from vacation. Means that things end up kind of stuffed in here, all thrown in. This replacement drawer, you can see it's shaped very similar to the speaker. It's hollowed out. Also has the ability to be locked from the screen, as well as some connectors for being recognized as in there. I don't know if we can see inside to the back. You can maybe make out there's some contact points in there that are traditionally for charging the speaker. So this came with a little rubber mat. that goes on the inside, as well as some little string if you want to give it a little bit of a yellow or black accent. We'll give it the little yellow accent for now. You can pull it out by the handle here, or you've got that little yellow accent. I've gone ahead and put the rubber mat in. It just lines up along the bottom just to give it a bit of a textured feel at the bottom. And then it just goes right into where the speaker was. So now that it's in there, it's locked, giving you some locked storage as well. But if you want to go ahead and disconnect that, you go into your settings the same way you would do for the speaker itself, and you want to go over to connect, which is a little bit of a weird spot for the dock to be, but then dock, you can unlock it. I don't know if you heard it click, but now that slides out. And once it slides back in, it immediately locks. So it does not slide out, unlocked, slides out, back in, and it's fully locked. That's the option to replace the well-intentioned Bluetooth speaker with something slightly more useful. You can see also on the screen that it recognizes it as an accessory drawer. Where now if we unlock that and we put the speaker back in, the graphic changed. It now recognizes it as a speaker, but it doesn't lock it automatically when it goes in. So speaker locked, speaker unlocked, nothing in the dock. And draw going in, boom, locked. The other product you might have seen in my other videos is this cup holder. I use this a lot for that giant water bottle that I have. This will also be online. But if you're someone like me who does have something in this location, so you can still access this a little bit. It's gonna hit the cup holder, but you can still do it. But it's not gonna be able to fully come out. Same with the speaker, if the speaker was in there. And again, unless you're a Rivian user, you probably don't know how to unlock this thing. So again, it gives you additional security for leaving things of value in the car. Put the key in there if you're going swimming, something along those lines. It's not going to give you the level of security that the safe gives you, but you do have some lockable storage there as well, and just the benefit of having somewhere to put things like your registration or sunglasses or whatever that we don't quite have built in. We have no glove box, we have no sunglass holder. Just to a much better use of that space than the speaker that's included. This speaker, like I said, was replaced under warranty. This one sounds better than the other one, but if you're buying a Gen 2 vehicle, I would suggest getting the one, I would get the standard tray that comes with the vehicle and not spending the $400 for this speaker. Well, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I hope these are slightly helpful for anyone looking to accessorize their Rivian R1T, R1S. Again, the link to each of these products on Amazon will be in the description below. Rivian also just launched their referral program. So I'm going to go ahead and drop my referral code down in the description as well. If anyone's looking to get into a Rivian, I would love it if you used my code when you did that. Thank you.